Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Walden. We are going to work on our CVC words, but we're going to be changing the beginning, the middle, and the ending of the sounds. So we're going to be changing some things around to make new words. I'm super excited. Okay, so your thinking caps on, listening ears on. Okay, let's get started. So our first word is mat. Help me sound out mat. Sound it out with me. At mat. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to change the beginning sound. Well, first of all, we need to know what the beginning sound is. So, what is the beginning sound of mat? It's Okay, we're going to change the beginning sound to f. Okay? So, whoops. What is our new word? At. Fat. Good. Okay. Now let's change the f and fat to k. What's our new word? Cat. Okay. Now we're going to get tricky. I know this tricks you guys up. We're going to change the ending sound. So it says k, at, t, t is the ending sound. We're going to change the t to a p, 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 p. What's our new word? Careful, look at it. App, cap, cap, good, okay. Now we're going to change that beginning sound again, okay? We're going to jump back to the beginning, and we're going to change the k in cap to t, 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 t. What's our new word? Tap, tap, good, okay. Now, we're going to change the middle sound. Well, first, what is the middle sound of tap? It's the ah. There it is. Tap, ah is the middle sound, okay? So we're going to change the middle sound to I. Ooh, tricky, right? What's our new word? Tip. Tip. Good, okay. Now we are going to change the beginning sound to a s. Okay, so we're going to change the t in tip to s. What's our new word? Sip. Good. Okay, we're almost done. We have a couple more left. Ready? Okay, we're going to change the s and sip to ooh. What is it? See if you can tell me what it is before I show you. Did you say ooh, ip? Lip. Good. Okay, two more. Ready? Change the ooh in lip to Ooh, and lip to Rip. Good. Okay, now it's a little bonus challenge. You ready? It's the last one. That's what we're going to end with. What if we make a magic E at the end? Okay, we have the word rip, right? What if I add E at the end? What is the word now? Think about what magic E does. It makes the vowel say its name. What's the vowel? I, right? A, E, I, O, U are our vowels, right? I. So E is going to make I say its name. So it's not going to be ip anymore. It's going to say ipe. Do we say the E? It's silent. It's sneaky, right? Ninja E, sneaky E. Ip. Rip. Good job. Okay, awesome. So keep working on those CVCE words. Keep working on those CVC words. You guys are rocking it. I'm so proud of you guys. Keep reading, keep practicing, and you guys are going to do awesome. You're going to be readers, such strong readers.